Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to remove games from your Steam library, whether you just want to uninstall them, hide them, or get rid of them permanently. There are actually 3 different options here, so let's break them all down. Before we do anything, you need to understand that Steam gives you 3 different ways to deal with unwanted games, and they are very different from each other. The first is uninstalling, which removes the game files from your hard drive to free up space, but keeps the game in your library so you can reinstall it anytime. The second is hiding, which makes the game disappear from your library view, but doesn't delete anything at all. It's basically just sweeping it under the rug. And the third is permanently removing it from your account, which is the most drastic option. So think about which one you actually want before going any further. If you just want to free up storage space but keep the game in your library, uninstalling is the way to go. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to uninstall, right-click on it, hover over Manage, and click Uninstall. A confirmation box will pop up. Click Uninstall again, and Steam will remove all the game files from your computer. The game will still show up in your library with an Install button, so you can always reinstall it later for free whenever you want. Your achievements, playtime, and save files all stay exactly where they were. This is honestly the option most people should use. It's completely reversible, and you lose nothing. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Now, this is the most serious option, so pay close attention. Before you do anything else, make sure you uninstall the game first using the steps from option 1, because if you remove it from your account first, you won't be able to uninstall it normally and will have to hunt down the files manually. Once it's uninstalled, go to the top menu in the Steam client, click Help, then click Steam Support. Search for the game you want to remove or find it in your recent games list. Click on the game and scroll down until you see the option that says, I want to permanently remove this game from my account. Click it and read the warning carefully. Steam will remind you that this is not a refund and your achievements will remain on your profile. If you're sure, confirm the removal. The game will be gone from your library. And here's something important. If you want to play it again in the future, you would need to repurchase it, so really make sure you're done with it before doing this. A couple of quick things to keep in mind. If you permanently remove the game by accident, don't panic. There is actually a way to restore it. Go to Steam Support, search for the game, and if you previously owned it, you'll see an option that says Restore the previously removed package to my account. Click that and it comes back to your library. Also, never remove a game before uninstalling it first. Always uninstall through Steam first, then remove the account license. Doing it in the wrong order just creates extra headaches. And that's everything you need to know about removing games from your Steam library. Whether you're just uninstalling, hiding, or permanently deleting, now you know exactly what each option does. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.